sunsetted ocean, not ocean, on the top of the ocean. We at air right now, Boeing 777, flying TK-77 from Istanbul to Miami. And we can see the sunset.
Make sure that your hand luggage is stowed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Please fasten your seatbelt. Put your seat back upright. Close your tray table. Open your window blind and stow your footrest.
And this is Valentina, luxury travel by Valentina, flying back to home
Devices which do not
from
have
Turkey.
flight mode feature must be turned off. All electronic devices must be disconnected from the in-seat power supply and safely stowed. If available, your personal
Looking for the best travel destination? Subscribe to Valentina YouTube, Luxury Properties International, and follow me on Instagram, Realtor Valentina or Valentina_Versace 7. Thank you for watching. +1 561 335 9459.